Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and use two headsets or even two microphones on your PlayStation 4 at the same time. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So it's very easy to use two headsets or even two microphones at the same time on your PlayStation 4. So I have Call of Duty Modern Warfare opened up behind me, and I'm actually logged in with two accounts. Modern Warfare is actually split screen. So to do this, it's very easy. So I have two USB headsets right here, and I can go ahead and plug those in. Otherwise, you have an option to go ahead and plug both ends in here, just like this, and then plug another one in, and then plug this into the bottom of my controller, and I'll get the audio split into two different headsets. So this is very cheap. This was only like $7 from Amazon. The only thing you want to make sure is if you're going to go ahead and use the splitter route, you want to go ahead and get a splitter connection that has 3 lines on it. Now the third line on the splitter will actually allow you to use your microphone if you have a microphone built into one of your headsets like this. So this one does, so I'll be able to actually talk to people while I'm using this. Now, before you go ahead and use the USB method, you will need to make a second account. So press and hold down the PlayStation button, then go to Power under the quick menu and go to Switch User, and then go to New User and make another user account. And this will allow you to go ahead and connect one microphone to one account and one microphone to the other account, and you'll be able to hear the audio in both headsets. So let's go ahead and plug both of these headsets in, and then plug the other headset in. So let's go ahead and connect one of the headsets to my main account, and then I have to turn on this headset right here now, and then I'll have to connect this headset to my second account. So let's go ahead and turn this headset on now. Alright, this headset is now turning on. Let's go ahead and connect my other headset to this account. So you can see I have a controller and a headset connected to my main account. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with my second account. So Timble Slice, add a headset to that. Boom. Timble Slice now has a headset on. So I can now hear the audio through this headset and through my other headset. Boom, perfect. And I'm allowed to use the microphone in each headset because they're connected to individual accounts. So if this video did indeed help you, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help tips coming up next on Your Six Studios.